Right, StratCam Live. Actually, let's take a look at summer. Let's just see what was doing during the summer, and we're not quite done with it yet, but I'll show you. The average low we hit was a little beyond 81 and a half degrees. We should average about 74, so the departure from normal was plus 7 degrees and some change. Our average high 104 should have been about 102, so you can see the difference there. And rainfall, we did better on the rainfall average, a little more than 3/4 of an inch, and did better than that. So nice. So we stayed warm, no doubt, but we got a little more rainfall out of the bargain, so that was quite a bonus too. Temperature-wise, Mesquite, I'm not sure why you're not checking in today, but maybe later on. 98 degrees for Henderson, 95 for Pahrump, just beautiful stuff. What's going to change is the temperatures. We're going to see them drop. But what's going to increase will be the wind. That's what will usher in the bigger change. You notice they'll ramp up for the weekend, end of the weekend at least. We'll probably still hold on to 100s for the weekend, but then once we really start to get those winds in, we'll start to really drop the temperatures down closer to 90. But once again, the price we pay is that stronger wind. Desert Doppler, relatively clear. I don't see any rain out of the bargain. Oftentimes when we get the big wind coming through, sometimes it can be ahead of a cold front that'll slide on in and maybe lift the air, and it cools and condenses, and then we'll see a few showers and thunderstorms. Nothing doing. That's not going to happen. Staying dry, but getting gusty, so we'll probably blow around some dust and sand. 77 overnight. Light variable winds, nice tonight, nice tomorrow afternoon as well. Light winds, low 100s again. We can deal with these numbers as long as it's dry. I suspect in Pennsylvania they're dealing with some humidity as well. We don't have that coming into the picture. So breezy conditions start to ramp up. We'll call it breezy, but we know it's going to be borderline gusty and then get even to windy beyond the weekend. And here's the way it looks beyond the weekend. I think Monday will be our windiest day, but look what happens thereafter. Temperatures really start to plummet, so we get right down to the lower 90s. Some areas will be in the upper 80s across the valley. I love saying that. And I don't know which I love more, the near 90-degree temperatures or just 90, and then how about the upper 60s for overnight lows? That seems very pleasant to me as well, and I think, Carla, you can agree being here several weeks already.